Bebe. Wawa.
Tumigil kami kasi si Jessa.
Ma'am, baby.
She's saying that there's a crying baby. Sabi mo sa lababa, there's a crying baby there?
Ma'am, tiny baby.
Okay.
No, ma'am, tiny baby. Tiny baby. Tiny, baby. Tiny, baby.
Crying baby daw po there.
Wawa, baby. Wawa, there.
May crying baby daw there. Let go my hands. Let go my face baba. It's out.
Ma'am, baby. Ma'am, baby.
What do you want?
Baby. Ma'am, baby.
May crying baby. There's a crying baby.
Topia.
Kasi nakakita lang siya second floor. House.
Topia.
Okay, but there's no crying baby out there. Can we go now?
Baby.
Let go my hands, babae. Let go my face. Okay. Drink mo na.
Baby. Wow, there. Baby.
Let me check.
Wow, baby. No, baby. No, baby.
Sige, drink ka muna ng water. Baba, take water muna tayo.
Baby.
Pinatigil niya ako kasi there's a crying baby na po. Wala na, okay na. Drink water muna. Titignan na. Mommy will check.
Baby. Wow, there. Mommy, baby.
Wawa, man.
Wow, there.
Ay, may talong pati doon.
Baby.
Oh my God,
Baby. Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
I'll check. Drink water muna tayo.
Baby.
There's crying baby.
Baby.
Wow. Tanong nga si Kuya dyan kung may crying baby dyan. Gusto mong tanongin ko? Oh, why did you close? Open. Dahil mo na ang water. Dahil na. Tingin muna, titignan natin. Titignan natin kung mayroong crying baby talaga dyan.
No, there.
Dyan daw po Hindi ko oh, come on. Oh, going. Can we go now?
Tiny baby. No, baby.
Let go my face, baba. Let go face, baba. Let go my face.
Baby. There.
Baby. You're not going to drink? Okay, close it na lang.
Baby.
First crying baby. Kawawa naman.
Baby.
Ayan.
Baby.
Wow. Baby.
Wow.
Let's go.
Baby.
Ayan, naano ko yung napindot ko. Ininom ka water? Hindi. Bibili pa tayo ng bread. Are you sure? Tingnan natin na. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. May tinapay dito Ayan, dyan daw kami bibili ng bread. Dyan kanina niya pa sinabi. Yun yung mataas na
Babe.
Tinuturo ni Jessa may crying baby. Ayan, mataas na yan ang building. Let's go. Do you like bread? Bili tayo. Pero may bread sa house. Sa house na lang. Ano?
Yeah.
Sa bakery? Where do you buy bread? Where do you buy bread? Bakery. Say, bakery. Bakery. Let's go. Let's go to bakery.
No, deep.
Buy bread. Ano po?
Mom. Mom, no, deep. Topia?
Yes, gonna buy bread. Doon baba, may tinapay man doon. Dito lang. Dito ba? Let go muna. Ayan. Kasi maraming nagano.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll buy here. Here we go. Ay, mabait. Thank you. She wants to buy bread.
Babe.
Buy bread.
8 bear 8.
How many bread?
No, 8 bear 8.
Sige, wait lang ha.
Ah.
Pandesal or panligaspi? What do you want? Panligaspi or pandesal? What do you want?
No, Bobby.
Okay.
No, Dib Joanne. Oh, Dib on the Dib Joanne.
Which one you like?
The name.
Huh?
Oh, the Dib Joanne. The Dib Joanne. The Dib Joanne. Dib
Ano
Joanne.
nag-give to Joanne? Anong gusto mo dyan? Which one you like?
Dib Joanne.
No, don't panic.
I want Dib Joanne.
Don't panic. Which one you like? Point it, Baba. Which one? Which bread you like?
The Dib Joanne. Dib Joanne. I want Dib Joanne.
Okay, you're gonna buy more bread.
I want Dib.
Let's go. Which one? Which one bread?
8.
Which one about you like bread? You
8. Da.
Which one?
Da.
Yung anong tawag yan? Ano yung Ayan.
No,
Yan.
bear. One is bear.
Alata. Bababa ako. Madara. Wait lang. You wanna go down? Wait lang. Dahil. You point na lang ha. Wait lang guys. Puno tayo ng bread dyan. Which one? This one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Ito ba? This one?
Yeah. Me! No, I want that. Da. Yeah. Da. Me, da. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Tapos,
Diony. 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 Diony.
ito kay Joanne. Bigyan niyo daw mo kay Joanne. Yes, ano te? Bigyan niyo na. Okay daw sabi natin. Excited si Jasa sa bread. Ano pa naman tayo? Live pa naman tayo. Ikaw talaga. Okay na. Where are we going now?
No, Diyan.
Punta tayo kay Joanne? Ha? Punta tayo kay Joanne? Kaya din na? Or do you want to go? Go na. Mabay na kate.
Diyan.
Let's go.
Diyan, Dim.
Let's go to give Joanne. Give natin na kay Joanne.
No.
Bread. Lumeda tayo?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to Lumeda na pala. Eat na muna isa. Eat one. I'll give it to Joanne. Matlagin to. Give na. Eat na muna. Eat one. Mag-eat ka naman. Dali na. Diba?
Diyan, Dim.
Nag-give to Joanne. Give me one daw baba. The one that, the other one baba. Give me the circle bread. Give me one. Give mommy.
No, the meda.
I will go. This one, we're going now. See? Can you give me one bread? Let na. Give me one.
Diyan.
And give Joanne also, okay?
No, Diyan.
Here we go. Gigib daw ni Jaisa yung bread kay Joanne. There we go. Madilim na dito. Madilim na. Hala ka dyan.
Diyan.
Sikap ko.
No, Diyan, Dim.
Hala. Give to John. Hala ka dyan.
Naman po.
Wait, baba. Si Kapitan na. Blood kasi ang dami nakapark dito eh. Hindi nakakapasok. Nakalabas yung mga tao.
Ma'am.
Ayan.
Ma'am.
Ha?
Ma'am.
Ayan nga eh.
Ma'am.
Ang dami nakapark.
Ma'am.
Ha?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Wait, baba. I need to focus.
Ma'am.
I need to focus driving, baba.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Da.
Ah.
Ma'am. Da.
What's
Mami.
up?
Da. Ma'am, binda.
But I need to focus driving, Baba.
No, binda. No, bin.
That's mommy wallet. That's mom's wallet. Okay pa?
O, bin. O,
Hindi pwede. That's mommy's property. That's mine. It belongs to me.
Data.
Your things belongs to Jessa. Alright pa? Give me one bread muna. Dali na. Small bread.
No, diyan.
Then give the other to Joanne.
No, doon.
Are you sure you're going to give? And maybe you make cry again, Joanne. Don't make cry, Joanne, ha?
Diyan.
You give them, okay? Give them to Joanne, okay? Wow, beautiful.
No, iba doon.
Ha?
Mama, doon. Iba doon. Ibi doon.
Joanne will cry if you give it and you're going to get again, okay? If you give it. Don't get it anymore. Is that okay?
Ibi doon.
Kasi magka-cry si Joanne.
Boom, boom.
Here we are.
Boom, no, boom. Ma'am, boom doon. Ma, boom. Doon, ma'am, ibi doon.
Ibi Joanne.
No, ma'am, no, ma, boom, no, ma, boom, doon.
Ano ba?
No, ma, boom, doon. No, ma, boom,
don't smack daw, broom Joanne. That's right. Sabi niya sa don't smack broom Joanne. Kasi daw iiyak daw si Joanne. Wow.
Ma, boom.
Oh my God. Nakakasabi mo lang na don't smack Joanne with the broom.
No,
Then
ba?
you're gonna smack, ha?
No, ba, boom, ba.
Mabay tayo ng broom.
Doon. No, ma, boom, doon.
And by broom.
Ma'am, no, ma, doon.
Ay,
No,
sarado
ma,
pang house. Sarado pang house sila Joanne. Bukas na lang balik ulit. Sarado talaga. Bale, bukas balik ulit.
TV daan, TV.
Kawawa si Joanne. Wala si Joanne. Bukas give na lang. Ayan. Okay? Tomorrow na lang. Sarado. Yan, kanino bahay yan? Ganda? You wanna live there? Ha? Ito yung Lumeda.
No.
Wala pala doon eh.
No.
Sarado pala eh. What?
No, diyan.
It's getting dark na. It's getting dark na because, you know, parang uulan na malakas. As in po, malakas po yung ulan darating ng mga ilang oras na lang. Ano po?
No.
It's getting dark na talaga,
Ma'am.
We need to say goodbye to live, Baba, kasi mag-o-off na yung battery ko.
Ma'am, no.
Say goodbye to everyone, Baba.
No, diyan. Diyan. Doon, doon.
Bibigyan mo naman si Joanne ng bread.
Ibi doon. Boom, ma, doon.
Gonna buy bro. Say goodbye live muna tayo, Baba. Okay? Say thank you so much live. See you again. We're gonna live again soon, yes. Say goodbye, Baba. Bye-bye live. Love you live. Say I love you live. Say I love you live muna.
No,
Sabihin mo na muna. Do you love live? What do you say? Thank you.
No,
Ay, na yan. Say thank you so much live. Sabihin mo na. Dali na. 1, 2, 3, go. Thank you so much live. Bye-bye. We're gonna off na ang battery ko. Wala na talaga. Thank you so much live. More later. Pupunta kami sa Emplace po. Mag-goodbye muna ako sa live. Talaga madilim na. Bye-bye live. Bye-bye na. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye live.